everyone, it's Catherine from 85th and Pine, and today we'll be making these Easter basket tags. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to take you through what it looks like after printing, and I'm going to tell you about the materials that I used. So here's the back of the Easter tag, and as you can see it has this watercolor marking on it. This is actually a pattern plywood that I used. I did not paint it, and it works really well for this project, and I really like how they turned out because they're all a little bit different and it's a nice Easter color. So after printing the backs on these, I also printed the fronts. I ended up doing white acrylic for the fronts for it to stand out more. So I'll just show you what it looks like put together. So this is with the back and the front. And as you can see, the back is a little bit bigger. That's how I designed it, for it to pop out more. And I'm going to be gluing these with Gorilla Super Glue. Obviously, you can change what kind of glue you use depending on what kind of material you end up using. And just another option, if you didn't want to buy this pattern plywood, which is a little bit more expensive, another cost-effective option would be to get some decorative paper. I bought this at Joann Fabrics. They have a ton of different varieties, but this is just an example I wanted to show you. And I went ahead and just cut this paper. This paper cost me like 39 cents after a coupon, so really nothing. And you can use whatever material you want, but I ended up using a white birch plywood just because I had it on hand and I wanted to show you what it looked like. So I would cut the back on the white birch or whatever material you choose, and I would cut the paper out for the decorative piece, and I would glue those together, probably with wood glue or something similar. Once that's dry, I would glue the top piece. Again, I just printed this on the birch plywood as well, and just fit it right over the top. So it gives a similar look, but it is more cost effective. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these together with my acrylic, and then I'll pretty much be done with that. Okay, now I'm going to show you my finished product after it is glued. So I have 4 designs in this file. This one is the egg. I also have a bunny. We have a carrot. And finally, we have a chick. I'm super happy with how these turned out, especially with the plywood, but again, you can use whatever materials you prefer. And as you can see, there are holes at the top, so you can just hang it right on the Easter basket. If you're interested in making these yourself, I'll have the file listed in the description box below on where you can purchase it. Also, if you're interested in buying your own Glowforge machine, please feel free to use my referral code that's in the description box below on where you can get money off. Plus, I would get credits too, which my family and I would truly appreciate. And if you're interested, please feel free to join our new Facebook group called Students of the Forge, where we share helpful tips and ideas. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.